Yo, welcome back to Auto Ray's Garage, and I know it's been a minute since I put out a video. Just been super busy. Between being busy and it's just been really cold out here where I live, so I just didn't want to be in the garage working. But I have been buying parts. Parts just been piling up. I got parts for the Mustang, I got parts for the truck, and so I'm like, well, I gotta do something. I gotta work on these cars. So we're working on the Mustang today, and from title of the video, we are going to be pulling out the heater box, replacing the heater core, and just replacing all the seals and rubber foam all in the heater box. I actually this is a non-AC car, but it has heat, and the fans, the switches in the car, nothing ever worked. When I changed out the engine gauge feed harness, which there is a video for that, I'll probably leave a little thing there up there at top so you can see. When I changed that harness out, the blower motor started working. So I thought the blower motor was bad because I was going to replace the blower motor as well. But changing out the harness, the blower motor started working. So I didn't buy one of those, but I do have a lot of other parts that goes to the heater core, and so I got all these mini boxes, which I cannot actually remember exactly what I bought. I'm sure I can always go and look at my email, but we're just gonna open it up and see what I got. I got a clear idea what I bought. I don't know, it's been a couple weeks, but let's get this open. So from the packaging, I got some things from CJ, I got some things from NPD. It just all depends on who had it in stock and who didn't. That's why now. Yeah, this one's from CJ too. So let's start with this one. See what I got in here. And of course, I will leave link in the description to all these parts. Ah, yes. So this will be part of the heater box. Now this is not the full heater box. This is just one part that comes. I bought the rebuild heater box kit, which now I'm remembering is probably everything in here. And this is just one part that goes to the heater box. That in the kit, I guess they just send you this to replace. Hopefully it's pretty good. It looks like some cheap plastic, but we'll see. Alright, new heater hoses, and okay, it looks like it just it comes with the clamps too, and it looks like it just comes with one long hose, and then you cut the size you need. And this is for 64 through 68. Of course, I'm gonna have a link in the description for this. Defroster ducts. The actual ducts for the defroster here. Here's all the seals for the heater box. All the rubber seals, foam seals, all that good stuff. Oh, what we got here? Go to our resistor. It's gonna go on the heater box here. And we got new cables. So we good here. Put all this back in the box so we don't lose them. And I remember I bought all this along with a heater core from CJ Pointer, because on the site it said everything was in stock. They shipped this, got it quick, but then I got an email saying the heater core was actually not in stock. It was on back order, so I had to go to MPD. So that would definitely be what's in this box here. Alright, this is what we got. And our nice aluminum heater core here. So, now we got everything we need. We can start taking this heater box out. Alright, so we're gonna start with removing, it looks like, the 4 bolts that's holding the blower motor in. And there, and there. I'm gonna cut the heater hoses, shove some towels in there so like they don't spill, leak coolant out on the carpet when I pull it out. Of course, this carpet is getting replaced, hence why I'm probably doing this now before I put new carpet in the interior. But anyway, we'll start with that. We'll start pulling those nuts out. We'll go into the car, see, hopefully we don't gotta take too much of the dash out to get this thing out, but we'll see. Drop these. So, since we're here, we'll go ahead and disconnect our wires. We'll go ahead and move inside the car now. Alright, so I'm not sure how much stuff needs to come out to get this heater box out, but we're just going to, I'm definitely going to pull this out, the glove box cardboard holder thing out, because I'm pretty sure there's probably some bolts behind here to get this out here, and we'll just play with it and see how well we can get this thing out. Trying to take this glove box insert doesn't really help. I don't exactly know how to pull it out, and I don't want to break it. So I'm pretty sure there's people gonna be in the comments telling me this is what you need to do, but I have no idea what I need to do. I'm just kind of winging it here. There is I can tell there's a, if I can get a good angle on it. Come on, let me get a good angle on it. There. It's a bolt. Right there. It's a bracket holding this to get the frame here. So I'm gonna take that out and see if this thing starts wiggling and moving some. that's what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna work my way all around and try to find any more brackets that are obvious that's holding this thing in, and report back. Alright. Whew. I hope I don't have to take this center console off. I really don't want to. Try to wiggle it out. Probably need to pull these cables off though. Yeah, let's pull these cables off. Trying to disconnect. Yes. Not really sure how it comes off. Oh, there we go. Alright, got that one off. Just trying to get this other one off back here. I won't put it. Alright, almost got it out. Alright, heater core is out. Super simple. I don't, maybe mine's just missing bolts, I don't know, but to get mine's out, just the one bolt holding it up there and then the 4 holding it to the frame wall. Popped off the 3 cables that controls the doors there and there, which I do have replacement cables for. And that's it to get this thing out. Now we can take it all apart, clean it up, make it look pretty, replace the ducts. Now I didn't want to take the center console out, but I might have to, just to get to the cables, to replace the cables and everything. I don't know, we'll see. I haven't really looked under there yet, but let's get to cracking this heater core, this heater box open up. See what we got going on in there. Alright, so now we got this thing out. We'll go ahead and start popping off all these clips so we can get this box open. So we don't lose these. It looks like there's 5 of them. Oh, 7. Oh, nope, there's more. Drop the screw. Inside here. Oh, I dropped the cap. Alright. Grab a broom, sweep this up, and keep our area clean. We'll go ahead and remove this old heater core, and it looks like it's the original one. Alright. Whew. It's actually not bad of a shape. Yeah. Little crustiness inside there though. Alright. Some of these leaves out. Let's see if we can get this blower motor off. And then we'll take this off as well. See what we got here. Okay. Cage seems to be in good shape. Everything's spinning. So I'm just gonna clean this up. I put some electrical tape on these wires. Well, it's split there, but I think it's good. Alright. That's all. I gotta check with our new one here and see if it comes with the bracket and then that there. Alright. That part's good there. Dump these leaves out. Take this old seal off. And pop this old resistor out. These tiny pins. Oh no, I broke that. That's not good. Oh shoot. Well, I broke those pins. I'm gonna have to order some new ones.